Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whipped cream using Amul fresh cream. First, make sure your Amul fresh cream is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 8 hours. Also, place your mixing bowl and beaters in the freezer for about 15 minutes. This cold environment is crucial for achieving the perfect fluffy texture. Now, pour the well-chilled Amul fresh cream into your cold bowl. Begin whipping on a low speed to incorporate air, then gradually increase to medium-high. Watch closely as the cream starts to thicken. You're looking for soft peaks to form, which means the cream holds its shape briefly before collapsing. Once soft peaks appear, it's time to sweeten and flavor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar per cup of cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste. Continue whipping on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form, meaning the cream holds its shape firmly and doesn't droop. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately with your favorite desserts. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, avoid over-whipping, as this can turn your beautiful cream grainy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.